Welcome to our fourth and final lesson in ultrasound imaging. Today's topic is pulse wave Doppler. This is a more advanced diagnostic feature that you may not see used very often, but it can be a great diagnostic tool like color flow. Spectral Doppler is another name for this mode. The pulse wave Doppler function is used to measure the speed of blood flow, and you can move this tool to any location, such as valves or pulmonary veins. The most common use of pulse wave in the EP lab setting is to check pulmonary vein flow before and after an atrial fibrillation ablation. A significant change could indicate stenosis from the ablation lesions placed around the veins. Here's an image showing pulse wave Doppler. You can always find the scale on the left-hand side, typically in meters per second. The sample volume is the specific location where the velocity is being measured. It's denoted by two small horizontal lines. This image is showing the left atrium and left pulmonary veins, with the velocity measured at the opening of the left inferior vein. As I've mentioned before, we'll get to image interpretation next week. And back to our ultrasound friends. As usual, there are different ways to denote the pulse wave Doppler function among manufacturers. GE consoles are labeled as PW for pulse wave. Siemens simply uses the letter D for Doppler. Press these to activate pulse wave mode. Use the trackball to move the sample volume over the area of interest. Press PW or D again to go back to regular imaging. Give this mode a try next time you have a nice image of a valve or pulmonary vein. In conclusion, pulse wave Doppler shows us the velocity or speed of blood flow at a specific location. In the lab, its use is usually confined to pulmonary vein velocities before and after an atrial fibrillation ablation.